This is Brain Lion Institute, episode 90. When rest starts to feel productive, recovery is no longer resistance. Rest feels unproductive only inside survival, because in survival, stillness equals danger. If you stop, something might collapse. If you slow down, you might fall behind. So rest is framed as weakness, as avoidance, as something you must earn. But regulation changes the equation. In a regulated system, rest is not an interruption. It is part of the cycle. Energy discharges, then it replenishes, then it moves again. Nothing is wrong, nothing is delayed. Rest becomes productive because it restores precision. You don't rest to escape life, you rest to return with clarity. This is why guilt disappears. You are no longer stealing time, you are maintaining capacity. Rest sharpens timing. It protects depth. It prevents overreach. A system that rests well acts cleanly. No drag, no resentment, no burnout depth. This is adult recovery, not collapse, not shutdown, but intelligent pause. Rest is not the opposite of action, it is what keeps action accurate. Next episode. Why motivation stops being the driver. Thank you.